So here we've got a 2015 Jeep Cherokee. These wheel covers, all four of them have been squeaking, so this is the last one. The clips are just on the back of the wheel here, or on the back here. This is the only part of the clip. They're really not easy to get off. So I just got those two off. And now I'll move these closer to me and get these two. There we go. And you try not to break them off. I think it's just the one left. Oh no, just these two left right here. And then once you get these off, you're just gonna put on some weatherproofing strips. If I can get it off. Jeez. All right, in the next clip, it's gonna be off. All right, we're gonna just wipe these spots off a little bit and clean them up, where we're gonna put the adhesive pieces. So we just purchased this foam window seal from Home Depot, the large size. It says it fits gap 3/16 to 3/8, and this is what's left of the roll. So we're just cutting it up in little pieces that kind of look like this. This is the sticky side, and then this is the non-sticky side that's going to be up. So we'll put it on like this. So just clean off your spokes, the spots where you want to adhese them. We're putting them right here, where it connects to the wheel. So if you want, you can put a little drop of super glue, and that'll help hold it down, because some of these pieces have not stuck very well for us, and we just figured, why not? This will help keep them in. But they're thick enough where the first one that we did, it didn't need super glue. It had enough friction on it where it wouldn't need it. We just figured we would add this on as a piece. And then these black pieces that are already on here, they were just there, and obviously they weren't doing the job because we were having a lot of issues. So don't know if somebody else put those there at one point or what, but yeah, just take these, cut them up like this, and then put them down on all of these spokes here. And they're thick enough where when you attach it, it's going to, where did I put the thing? It's gonna hold it tight to the wheel, and it's not gonna rattle like crazy. All right, now that you've got your wheel cover here with the pieces in all the spots there, they're thick enough. See how much thicker the gray one is compared to these black pieces? I don't know if it was the previous owner that put these here or the dealership did this at some point previously before we bought this vehicle, but this is obviously much thicker, and it's gonna do the job for us. And I think they make another size even a little thicker than this too. We'll link the product in the description. So just match this up like so, and you can pretty much clip this on, hopefully without breaking it. Try to go down. There we go. And then just double check that everything's on. Good to go. That's it. Now, no more rattle.